Hello everyone, this is Dr. Praveen Verma from Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Mount Abu. Students, today we will solve a numerical based on Gibbs free energy of cell. So actually in electrochemical cell, you know, the chemical energy of the cell is represented by Gibbs free energy, and that is converted into electrical energy. So the relation between Gibbs free energy or change in Gibbs free energy and the E naught of cell is delta G naught is equal to minus NF E naught of cell. So we will solve one numerical based on this formula. So the question is, calculate delta G naught for following. The cell reaction that is given in this numerical, that is Fe plus 2 plus Ag plus, gives Fe plus 3 plus Ag. So in this reaction you can understand that Fe plus 2 is converted into Fe plus 3, it means it is oxidized, and Ag plus 1 is converted into Ag, it means it is reduced. So it is oxidation reaction and it is reduction reaction. Okay, so you know in a electrochemical cell there is redox reaction, and we will confirm the reaction by data also, actually whether it is correct or not. So actually we have the reduction potential values for both electrode. For iron, the reduction potential value is what? It is equal to plus 0.77 volt, and for silver it is plus 0.80 volt. That is given in electrochemical series. So by this value, as you know, that silver has more positive value plus 0.80, and the iron has less positive value, that is plus 0.77 volt. So you should know that the electrode which has more positive value of reduction potential will act as cathode, and reduction reaction takes place there. Okay, understood? And the electrode for which the reduction potential value is what? Is less positive. So it will act as anode and oxidation reaction takes place. And that is the same happening here. Okay, you can see there. So for iron, there is oxidation, that is Fe plus 2 is converted to Fe plus D, and one electron is released. And for silver, Ag plus ion takes the electron to form Ag. So that is oxidation reaction and it is reduction reaction. So iron acting as anode and silver acting as cathode. So when we combine this reaction, we have this complete cell reaction that is already given. So this cell reaction is what? It is correct reaction for this electrochemical cell. Now next step, we have to calculate E naught of cell, and the formula we have, that is E naught cell is equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. So the value of E naught cathode, that is we have plus 0.80 volt, and for anode that is 0.77. So when we keep these values in this formula, so it is equal to 0.80 minus 0.77. So is equal to 0.80 minus 0.77. So the answer is what? 0.03 volt. That is the E node of what? Cell. Next step, we have to calculate delta G. The formula we have, delta G node is equal to minus NF E node of cell. So E node of cell we have already calculated, that is 0.03 volt. Okay, and the number of electron, that is 1. So N is 1 here. And the Faraday, you know, 1F is equal to 96500 Coulomb. So when we keep these values here, minus NF E naught cell, that is equal to minus 1 into 96500 into 0.03. So it is equal to minus 2895 joule per mole. And when we convert this one into kilojoule, so we divide this one by 1000. So we will have minus 2.895 kilojoule per mole. That is the answer. So this numerical is completed. We will continue the next topic in next period. Thank you.